let's talk about Taikun CloudWorks backup, restore, and migration features. In this demo, we have multiple environments on different platforms in different locations. Here, we have our production environment based on OpenStack in one data center. And then we have vSphere and OpenShift in another data center. So we're running some production application, but we would like to do some development on it and not use the same environment. So what we can do? In production, we already have set up backup policy. If you want to do a new one, we can take a look to the detail. Name, retention period, we can choose from the list or create our own. Cron period means when we want to deploy, when we want to back up, if every day, week, or a few minutes. And then we can choose from the list of our namespaces what we want to back up. We will automatically back up not just the configuration of namespace, but also data, including PVCs. Here we already have one backup running for 4 days. Last backup happened 18 minutes ago. So let's take a look at the backups. We have 3 backups available, and we can restore this. So let's take a look. So we can use the backup, use the restore name, and choose from the namespaces backup which we want to restore. In this case, we have just one, but if there will be more, we can select only one or multiple as we want. But in this time, we want to deploy the restore in the same cluster. So because we have backup enabled also in other clusters in Taikun, namely in OpenShift, we can take a look to same view, and we can take a look to locations. Locations are our backup locations from where we do perform backups, and we can import them dynamically to any other locations in Taikun. Doesn't matter if it's AWS, Azure, Google Cloud, Proxmox, VMware, vSphere, Tanzu, OpenShift, or OpenStack. It will work everywhere. So we already imported our location, and we can see that it was validated 33 seconds ago. So you can also see that we never perform any restore, but we can see also backup from that location. So let's use the last one to restore the backup locally. But before, just to make sure that we don't have anything deployed here. So let's go to Kubernetes informations, and let's go to pods, and let's take a look if we have locust here. All right, no locust here. So let's perform the restore. You will navigate back to the backups. You will pick the restore we want to restore. We will choose locust. Let's name it our locust dev, for example, and let's run it. Now this will appear in locust, and it's completed. We can show detailed description of the restore, but better, you'll take a look to the restore itself. So let's go back to the OpenShift environment, to the pods, and let's take a look if we have locust here available. Here it is, and we can see that our pods are already restored and available, and they are running. So we can open terminal or see the logs of them, and we can also take a look if service is running. Yeah, locust is restored and available now. So this is the way how you can back up anything in namespace in any Kubernetes under Taikun and restore them in any other location in no time.